highest levels of the atmosphere, nature's forces are silently accumulating immense energy. Three legendary entities, representing ice, lightning, and fire, begin their journey to maintain the planet's balance. As air currents conflict, the world below must prepare for the presence of gods. Articuno, the incarnation of eternal winter, controls atmospheric humidity through crystal-like feathers. At the Seafoam Islands, the harshness of frost can be an enemy, but it can also be salvation. As it flaps to lower the ambient temperature, it creates a protective structure from the very harshness of winter. Mission complete, the Guardian of Frost vanishes once more into the mountain mist. Meanwhile, within human ruins, another source of energy seeks release. Zapdos acts as a living lightning rod, absorbing ionized particles to recharge its body. Each feather is a biological capacitor capable of storing millions of volts in a single flash. It moves like an electric pulse through the atmosphere, dominating the night sky with brutal, flickering light. In lands where the cold reigns too long, If begins within the molten heat of the Earth's core. Moltres, the fire deity. The heat from its body can be felt from miles away, the embodiment of thermal conversion, carrying the warmth necessary for germination. Its appearance signals the end of winter. It is the biological catalyst for rebirth. Moltres of fire is not just to burn, but to light the path for rebirth. At the intersection of three worlds, an absolute balance is about to be restored. When the three deities converge, all climatic conflicts are neutralized by energy resonance. This is the dance of the elements, keeping this planet from falling into ruin due to extreme weather. A new cycle begins in peace, witnessing the power of the Sky Guardians. The last remaining marks, reminding the world that balance is always protected from above. All is part of the grand cycle of life.